What is the value of dividends method of business valuation? This method is frequently used in larger mature businesses, not commonly used in startup ventures based upon the nature of the startup and its growth path. It really doesn't distribute dividends, so this is more used for mature businesses. But with that being said, what is this approach? Well, generally a business is valued based upon the future cash flows that it can generate. Now, with this being said, an investor would value the business based upon what future cash flows are going to be distributed to that investor. So if I invest $100 in shares of a company, what will my return be on my investment? Generally, the return should be commensurate with the amount of risk associated with the investment in the asset. Now, with that being said, the formula for value of dividends simply says the value of the company is the dividend average or rate that you expect year over year divided by a discount rate minus growth rate. This adopts the Gordon growth model that says anytime you have a discount factor of a growing company, you need to take whatever your discount rate is, your cost of capital plus any other specific company or size risk that you are incorporating into that discount amount, and you subtract from it the growth rate, and this gives you again your discount factor. So you would take the dividend, which is the future cash flow to investors, and divide it by the discount rate minus the growth rate, and again this would give you the value of that equity holding. And if it were a single share, it would give you the price. If it were all the shares of the firm, it would give you the value of the firm. So this is a pretty straightforward method that encapsulates the theory that business is only worth the value of its dividends that it's going to distribute. And if a business grows in capital appreciation, that is, the value of the company gets larger, that is just a representation that it is acquiring a greater ability to distribute a larger dividend in the future. So this is the value of dividends method of business valuation.